What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the less annoying CRM, and yes, that's what it's called, less annoying CRM, and its different features and benefits. So a CRM, or a customer relationship management, is a great tool that you can use in your business arsenal in order to better manage customers, increase your sales, and grow your business. So you need to go to the website, that's lessannoyingcrm.com. You'll land on their page right here, and they even promise you 3 things no other CRM can. And here, these are the veteran customer service and one low price, no upcharges, as well as our commitment to small business. So here, once you scroll down, you can see some other features and benefits of the platform here, and a story, and they basically explain to you why they are a successful platform as a CRM platform. It's a self-funded, which is not like a sponsored by any big company. And this means you have the freedom to have a name like this one, Less Annoying CRM, which is not conventional, and price their software as low as possible, offer great customer support for free, and pay the employees pretty well. Now here you can also have some other features right here, as well as some testimonials, some reviews, and you get a product tour as well, so you can get a tour of their different like stages, like leads, task, calendar, to like manage your business, and you can even view all the features. You can also connect them and integrate them with lots of popular services such as Google Calendar, MailChimp, and others. And you can even give it a try if you want to. So here you can log in, or you can sign up if you already have an account. And let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly. They offer you a low pricing of $15 per user per month, of course, plus tax. And of course, you pay per user as you go. Now let's sign up for an account here. So click on sign up. And you need to enter some information such as your first name, last name. So let's enter John Smith. And now the email, the password, and how many users will access the CRM, 2 or 5, and the industry. Let's say I'm in the consulting or in the education business. Now let's start your first day, 30 days free trial. Okay, now they ask if I want to join the free newsletter, and don't join. And they give you a video to get started. However, I'll just close it. And that is my main dashboard, or my main workspace. So here they give me like a video introduction of the platform. And of course, since this is a newly created account, I have nothing. It's virtually empty. You can add tasks here. There are no tasks due. They give you an overview of the due tasks, as well as the pipeline reports, activity reports, and stuff like that. And here you have the calendar where you can see your daily tasks and appointments and whatnot. You can scroll through by day, or view here, select a day in the month. This is the workspace. I don't have any tasks yet. I can view here the workspace if I want to. So click on view workspace, and this is the page you'll land on. Now here I can search, I can add. So in the add here tab, I can add contact, I can add company, task, event, student, recruit. And I can import contacts from like a CSV file or a file. I can import calendar events and more import options. So let's add a contact. Here you can add all the contact information such as the name, email, phone, address, birthday, and other information as well. And you can attach notes, task, group, and student recruit. And if I try to add a company, I can enter all the company info as well to create it. And creating a task here is no different. I get the enter task name, the due date, and I can attach task here and enter description. Okay. Now here I can view all my contacts. I don't have any contacts yet because this is a newly created account. I can export the contact, print them, or I can import contact as well. So here there are no contacts that I have. I can import contacts as I showed you by clicking add and then import contacts. And here I can also view groups and manage groups. Now in the calendar, I can view all my calendar settings such as time zone, date format, time format, and first day of the week, default event duration, so I can change it if I want to. And next, you have the your calendar view here. You can view it as well. And you have the big calendar, weekly calendar once you open the calendar tab. And here you have some sample tasks to add if you want to. And in the reports, you can get all kinds of reports and insights about your business. So student recruit, activity reports, and so on. And here you can get pipeline reports and other reports such as task report. And since there are no tasks here, you cannot show or see anything. Next, you have your settings. So here I have my settings, my profile and login info, my notification, display preferences, and other settings. So let's view the integrations. I can integrate with lots of popular services right here if you want. And here I have my account information, and they have a referral program which I can use to get $15 credit for each new customer I refer. And if I go back to my main workspace, let's try to add a task here to see how it look like. So let's say test task. Okay, create task. And now I can view here this task is due here, and let's make it for, okay, it's for today, and it won't like show up in the calendar yet because we need to go to the calendar view right here, and I need to show tasks, and here it is, the test task. It appears right here. I can check it here as done, or I can even disable the option to show the task. I can change the time zone, print the calendar, and view all the calendar settings. So that was like a quick overview of the Less Annoying CRM platform and its different features and benefits to grow your business. And of course, you need to consider the number of employees, because payments, as I showcased earlier in the video, is based on the number of users. So you pay $15 per user per month. So that's why it's important to enter the correct number of your employees in your company, or the persons at least who are going to use this service. And going into the settings, you can change all this. So you can go here and check users, and you can add a new user right here. Enter their first name, last name, and their email. Okay, and the types, give them permissions if it's a normal user or admin, and allow user to export data and stuff like that. So give a number of permissions and create a new user and email them login instructions so they get it, and they'll be able to log in to your account and to the account, sorry, and start managing the business with you. And here you can view your billing information. You don't need to pay yet because I'm on a trial. And the teams, the company branding, close accounts, and number of features that are available for you.